Alright, to make this oatmeal, place a clean pot on fire and add 5 tablespoons of oatmeal depending on quantity you are making. Then add 250 ml of liquid milk, exactly what you see on the screen, and then get a clean spoon and mix to combine. Then stir this on a medium flame. Continue to stir this on a medium flame. Make sure your heat is on medium flame, the gas is on medium flame. Then stir continuously to avoid lumps. Stir this continuously to avoid lumps and also to avoid burn. Avoid sticking under the pots, because that would give your oatmeal another taste. It will give your oatmeal another taste. So continue to stir until you get a desirable texture. Then add half tablespoon of sugar and mix to combine. Stir this to combine. Hello everyone, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you're highly welcome. Please stay connected, like, comment, subscribe and share. And thanks all my genuine subscribers for your support always. So continue to stay and check to make sure there is no lumps. Then transfer to a clean bowl. After transferring to a clean bowl, add as many berries as you would like: blackberries, blueberries, red berries. The choice is yours. This is very healthy, everyone. All right, thanks for dropping by. Stay safe, stay connected, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. All right, thanks. See you in the next video. Bye for now.